Hi there, I'm Robert Kennedy with Typhoon Painting Products. I knew when these Monument Hobbies Pro Acryl paints came out that they were going to be big. How can we put more of them on your desktop? I made a paint rack just for you to be able to do that. I'm going to show you how to assemble this easy. Just stay tuned. Thanks.
First of all, make sure that all pieces are present and ready to be put together. Alternate the 6 and the 7th-hole shelves as you assemble. My preference is cyanoacrylate glue. And then a spritz of zip kicker for an instant bond. Now, turn it over and align the shelves with the opposite side. Start at the top, and I recommend gluing 2 shelves at a time first. Then, advance on. 2 more at a time, and so on. Now, flip it over so that the bottom of the rack is facing you. Put the spine in place, and then we glue it at the top. Snap the back base plate on. Flip it over, and glue it into place. Now the front base piece goes on the same way. Gluing on this last piece means you're essentially done. If you want to, you can go back over all the joints with some wood glue and make sure it's really strong. Well, that's it, and a great job. Well done. Here's what your finished product looks like filled with paint. Wow.
So, these only measure 13 inches deep by 11 inches wide and a little over 8.5 inches tall. If you want to put 65 paints onto your desktop with these Monument Hobbies Pro Acryls, go ahead and get one. Trust me, money back guaranteed. Take care and thanks.